Which side of the curve are you on, Anon? If you've been on crypto Twitter for the past year, you've probably seen this meme. But what does it really mean? In essence, the Midcurve meme uses the IQ distribution diagram to mock the group of people represented on the middle of the curve, who possess average intelligence, commonly referred to as midwits or midcurves. There are 3 characters representing different groups of people sitting on the IQ bell curve. While spin-offs of the meme do exist, the most common format shows a brainlet sitting on the left of the curve, a crying zoomer, the midwit in the middle, and on the right lies a Wojak wearing Obi-Wan Kenobi's cape. Typically, the left and right curve is seen agreeing on something simple on a given topic, though possibly for different reasons. In contrast, the mid-curve is seen overcomplicating the subject, presenting various arguments for their opinion. Due to its versatility, the meme has been used in many topics and debates outside crypto since 2018. Eventually, the Midcurve meme found its way into crypto Twitter. Recently, the meme saw a resurgence in early 2023 as the sentiment in crypto was still rather fearful despite the markets being on an uptrend. The term midcurve became a common term to refer to market participants who were in disbelief and finding various justifications for staying on the sidelines, leading to them missing out on lucrative opportunities. As the end of 2023 drew near, the market rally picked up steam, and the Midcurve meme became a staple on crypto Twitter, as many crypto participants were mocked to be mid-curving the rally, in denial of the pump after the traumatic events that happened during the last crypto winter. Another example of its use was around Solana Memecoins, which were starting to experience a massive surge of interest and making extraordinary gains in a relatively short period of time. As Memecoins are popularly known for having zero utility, many were quick to dismiss the hype. In response, the Midcurve meme popped out with the left and right curve agreeing to jump on the Memecoin bandwagon for different reasons, and the midcurves refusing to partake due to the lack of fundamentals. Given how Memecoins have performed for the past few months, and bull markets in general, it's safe to say that while the midcurves are still correct about Memecoins lacking fundamentals, the left and right curves are probably sitting on a good amount of profit. With retail mania seemingly around the corner, proponents of this meme have jokingly suggested that one should lower their IQ to maximize financial gain in a crypto bull market. They argue that it's much easier to be dumb than to try and be exceptionally intelligent, as the latter arguably leads to one being mid-curved. This might make you think that it's a good idea to put your entire savings into a coin with a hat-donning dog as a mascot. But in reality, no one can reliably predict the market, hence the importance of managing one's risk and DYOR. Or perhaps this is just mid-curve thinking. Anyway, if you're feeling good about the crypto market right now, check out this video for some tips for the crypto bull market.